Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us today is J.D. Salbego, who's the founder and CEO of an exciting Web3 venture called gDEX Metaverse. J.D., welcome to the show, and let's dive right into it. What is gDEX Metaverse, and why should our viewers know what the market is that you're pioneering?
Awesome. Thanks for having me. We're a platform, a community gaming platform with a suite of chain agnostic tools that allows games, creators, players, and guilds to seamlessly manage their Web3 gaming experience across the metaverse. Every touch point from identity with the first true Metaverse Passport, a guild management tool to manage all your scholars, and GameFi missions, which is a real life, player acquisition, retention program and quests, which is very big in gaming.
Can you talk a bit more about the concept of passports and ownable identity?
Yeah, the biggest thing in Web 2 and in Web 3, I mean, for 25, 30 years, gamers have wanted to be able to monetize their identity. That is the biggest thing. Their accounts, their experience, all the assets they purchase, and allow it to be portable. There's no solution in the market, and there's never been. Some games, $90 million is generated in revenue on the black market or legal platforms where gamers are selling their accounts and their identities. Some people and companies have actually created businesses off of just leveling up gaming accounts and then selling them. It's a huge missed opportunity in the metaverse, and we are the first company who have actually solved that, and we've created the full Metaverse Passport. It tracks your experience, your gaming activity, and all your virtual assets, both tokens and gaming NFTs or NFTs across the metaverse. It allows you to allow this identity to be portable cross-game and cross-platform. You could actually rent it out and sell it and trade it. First thing in the market, and so far we're already at 300,000 registered users, and on our platform and suite of tools as a whole, we're already at 50 games in 60 guilds, 60,000 scholars. We've only been live less than 3 months, and the reason why is because we're actually really solving some serious problems in the gaming world. And the customers and the users really understand that.
One thing that impressed me when you and I first met was the journey that led you to gDEX and the team that you're building. Can you discuss who's involved in the company and a little bit more detail on the traction in the market today?
Yeah, I mean, our team is a series of executives that we've all been in traditional gaming from major gaming companies, from Nintendo across all the way to some of the largest esports companies in Southeast Asia who've worked with Tencent, et cetera. I've been in crypto for 7 years. I'm also a mentor at Techstars, one of the biggest accelerators. I'm a mentor of the Web3 division. And what we tried to do was create this synergy of Web3 experience and traditional gaming experience and merge that together. Those are some of the biggest problems, solutions that we brought in. Not just the biggest issue we see in Web3 is that so many companies are still focused on just this technology without providing a great user experience to onboard the next Web2 players and guild members and games and creators and actually bring this to mass adoption. Since we went live out of stealth, our traction has been through the roof right now. Like as I mentioned, we're already at 300,000 registered users of the Passport, 50 games, 60 guilds. That's in 2.5 months' time. And we are currently the biggest metaverse platform infrastructure layer out there right now in the market.
And finally, JD, what should viewers interested in investing in this market know or do to learn more and get more active in the space?
I would follow us for sure, because I would say that we are one of the real innovators here. And I would just follow the news and the great projects. There's a lot of great companies out there, solving problems for gamers, whether it's between NFT marketplaces or games or game development engines. But I would really also try not to focus too much on the hype, because as we know, in every bubble, including the .com, there's a lot of hype and a lot of BS. I would really focus on the people that are providing real solutions and not just copycats and stuff like that.
Yep. Good advice for any sector that you're following, isn't it, JD? Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.